Last night, a deputy told family that local white supremacist KKK members originating out of Lexington, North Carolina, are planning to attack from now until Inauguration Day. They are plotting against Black people, especially Black women, because in their eyes, we are easy targets. Please be vigilant. Try not to do anything alone, especially after dark. This is not a hoax or a rumor. The deputy showed paperwork that the police department has. In their words, they're taking their country back. It's really scary, and please take what I am telling you seriously. We have to continue to live, but just be careful and watch your surroundings. This is not a drill. Please be vigilant. Don't go anywhere alone. Don't go out after dark. Be aware of your surroundings.